In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually add one contact to a Teachable course. Whether you're a new instructor or managing an expanding online school, knowing how to enroll students individually can be incredibly handy. Let's walk through this process together so you can easily add a single student to your course whenever necessary. To kick things off, you'll need to head over to your Teachable Schools dashboard. Once you're there, look for the Users menu. This menu is the gateway to managing all your contacts and students within Teachable, so you'll find yourself using it frequently. Upon entering the Users section, you'll want to click on the Students tab. This tab gives you access to the list of all students who are currently enrolled in your courses. At the top right corner, you'll see a button labeled Add Students. Clicking this button reveals a pop-up modal with a couple of options for adding students to your course. One option is Import CSV, which is perfect if you've got a spreadsheet full of subscriber information ready to go and want to do a bulk add. But today, since we are focused on adding just one student, we'll choose the manually option. Now, you'll be prompted to enter the student's information. The first field is for the student's full name. This step is optional, but it's always a good idea to personalize your records. Next, you'll need to enter the student's email address. This part is crucial as the email serves as their primary identifier in your system and updates them about course-related activities. Once you've got that down, the next choice is setting a password for the student. You can choose to set a password yourself, which makes the onboarding process a bit smoother, or you can leave it blank. If you opt to leave it blank, don't worry, the system will automatically send an email to the student prompting them to set their own password. After that, it's important to check the box that confirms the student has consented to receive emails from your school. This step is vital for compliance with privacy laws and ensures clear communication lines with the student. The next step involves selecting the payment method the student used to join your course. This step helps you keep your records organized, especially when it comes to financial reporting or troubleshooting payment issues down the line. Finally, once all the information is correctly filled out and double checked, it's time to click that import button. Doing so adds the student to your school, completing the process. And there you have it, a straightforward way to manually add one contact to your Teachable course. By following these steps, you ensure that your new students are seamlessly integrated into your learning environment. Thanks for watching, and happy teaching.